Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to check your account balance at Regions Bank. This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to provide some helpful tips. Before we get started, I want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. The information in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. If you have any questions about your finances, you should always consult with a financial advisor. Now, let's get started. How to check your account balance at Regions Bank. There are a few different ways to check your account balance at Regions Bank. The easiest way is to use online or mobile banking. Online banking. To check your account balance online, you'll need to create a Regions Bank online banking account. Once you've created an account, you can log in and view your account balance. Mobile banking. To check your account balance using the Regions Bank mobile app, you'll need to download the app to your smartphone or tablet. Once you've downloaded the app, you can log in and view your account balance. ATM. You can also check your account balance at an ATM. To do this, insert your Regions Bank debit card and enter your PIN. Then, select the Check Balance option. Phone. You can also check your account balance by calling Regions Bank customer service. Which method is right for you? The best method for checking your account balance will depend on your personal preferences. If you're always on the go, you may prefer to use the mobile app. If you're more comfortable using a computer, you may prefer to use online banking. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for checking your account balance at Regions Bank. You can set up alerts to be notified when your account balance falls below a certain amount. You can view your transaction history to see how your balance has changed over time. You can transfer money between your accounts. You can pay bills online. Checking your account balance at Regions Bank is easy and convenient. There are a number of different methods you can use, so you can choose the one that's best for you. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, I'd like to thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.